হ্যালো ফ্রেন্ডস, যেই মেকানিক ইউটিউব চ্যানেলে তোমাদের সকলকে স্বাগত। আমি আগের ভিডিওতে প্রোডাকশন ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিং রিলেটেড কিছু প্রশ্ন উত্তর নিয়ে আলোচনা করেছিলাম। আজকে তার দ্বিতীয় পর্ব। তো চলো শুরু করা যাক। 56 নম্বর কোশ্চেন, হোয়েন ইউজিং ডিসপোজেবল প্যাটার্ন দ্য মেটাল শুড বি পোর্ড। আনসার হবে রাদার র্যাপিডলি। 57, the purpose of pouring basin is to act as a reservoir for molten metal. 58, match plate pattern is used in machine molding. 59, for steel casting, which of the following type of sand is better? Quartz grain. As the size of casting increase, it is often better to use increasingly. Answer হবে C, quartz grain. The purpose of riser is to help feed the casting until the solidification takes place. Slick is used to make or repair corners in the molder. 63 number question, true centrifugal casting is used to cast symmetrical object. In permanent mold casting method, molten metal is fed into the cavity in the metallic mold by gravity. 65, investment casting is used to shapes which are very complex and intricate and cannot be cast by any other method. Pipes subject to very heavy pressure of the order 100 kg per centimeter square are made by extrusion process as seamless pipe. Water pipes of large length and diameter are made by semi-centrifugal casting. Strongest component are produced by forging. Longitudinal joint of drums of 150 mm thick sheets are made by electro slack welding. 70 number question, Antich process is a process of making porous molds. Semi-centrifugal casting is used to ensure purity and density at extremities of a casting. 72, surface to be machined are marked on the pattern by the red color. Blue color on the pattern is marked for never used in pattern marking operation. Chilled surface as marked on the pattern by oblique red stripes on yellow. 75, centrifugal method of casting is used to obtain high density and poor casting. In die casting process, answer হবে D, metal is forced in mold under high pressure. 77, in hot chamber method of die casting, only low melting point metal can be cast. In general, the draft on casting is of order of, answer হবে C, blind riser. Supply the hottest metal when pouring is completed. The alloys to be provided in disposable patterns are C, both A and B above হবে, shrinkage and finish and distortion দুটোই হবে. In Carthios process is cavity is filled with pre-calculated quantity of metal and core or plunger is inserted to force the metal into cavity. Sprue in casting refers to D, vertical passage. Advantage of disposable patterns is এখানে finish is uniform and reasonably smooth. No complex wooden pattern with loose piece pattern is required, no coats are required, no alloys and less metal is required. Now all of the above. Answer হবে all of the above. In cold chamber method of die casting, only high melting point metal can be casted. In slush casting process, metal is poured into die cavity and at a predetermined time the mold is inverted to permit a part of metal still in molten state to flow out of cavity. Ornament are cast by pressed. 87. Steel and cast iron pipes are cast by true centrifugal casting. In hot chamber method of die casting, the melting pot is integral with die casting machine. Scabs or buckles are the casting defect which occur due to some sand shearing from the cope surface. In centrifugal casting, the impurities are collected in the center of casting. 91. Core in a centrifugal castings is made of carbon steel, properly treated sand, plastic. No core is used. No core is used. Centrifugal casting e kono core use hoy na. 92. Large and heavy castings are made by greens and molding. Graphite molds are used for continuous casting process in order to provide self lubricating qualities. Ferrous alloys are usually cast by hot chamber machine, cold chamber machine, die casting machine, none of the above, none of the above. 95. Tolerance produced by the investment casting process are of the order of plus minus 0.05 mm. 96. The cold chamber method of die casting, the melting pot is separate from die casting machine. 97. Sweep pattern is used for molding parts having circular shape. Centrifugal process is used for producing casting of irregular shape. 99. Hot tears are casting defects. Answer hobe C, which occur due to discontinuity in metal casting resulting from hindered contraction. 100. Fettling is an operation performed after casting. Vertical centrifugal casting as compared to horizontal centrifugal castings are spun at a higher speed. Shell molding process requires metal patterns. Cold shots are casting defects caused by two streams of metals that are too cold to fuse properly. 104 number question. Slag inclusion in a casting is a surface defect. Core pins are used to from seat to support and hold the core in place. 106 number. Jolt machine produce uniform ramming about the pattern. 107 number question. Blowholes are casting defects which takes the form of internal voids of surface depression due to excessive gaseous material not able to escape. The main advantage of shell molding is ability to cast thin section. 109 number. Amount of gas generated while pouring hot metal in mold made with resin sand as compared to carbon dioxide sand is more. The purpose of chaplets is to support the core. Draft on pattern means facility for stripping. 112 number. Fluidity in greatly influenced by pouring temperature. 113 নম্বর, suitable pattern for large size and symmetrical shape casting such as wheel and bell is sweep pattern. In sand molding, the bottom most part of the flask is called drag. 115 নম্বর, the solid contraction is more in steel. The ratio of between the pattern shrinkage allowance of steel and cast iron is about 2:1. The provision of pattern shrinkage is to compensate the shrinkage of casting after solidification. The purpose of adding wood flour to the molding sand is to improve collapsibility. Linseed oil is used in the core sand as a binder. Hexamethylene tetramine is added to resin sand as a catalyst. The most suitable material for die casting is copper. 122 নম্বর কোশ্চেন, স্লাশ কাস্টিং প্রসেস ইজ ইউজ টু প্রডিউস hollow casting. In the foundry sand, bentonite is used as a binder. The addition of iron oxide to the foundry sand improves the hot strength. 125 নম্বর, the purpose of adding wood flour or sawdust to foundry sand is to improve collapsibility. 126 নম্বর, the addition of coal dust to green molding sand is to improve surface finish. 127 নম্বর, mishran is a casting defect which occurs when sufficient superheat has not been provided to the liquid metal. তো আজকে এই পর্যন্তই, দেখা হচ্ছে পরের ভিডিওতে। যদি তোমাদের এই ভিডিওটি ভালো লেগে থাকে তাহলে অবশ্যই একটি লাইক করে দিও এবং চ্যানেলে যদি নতুন হয়ে থাকো তবে চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে পাশে থাকা বেল আইকনটিকে অবশ্যই প্রেস করে দিও, যাতে পরের ভিডিও নোটিফিকেশান তোমরা খুব সহজেই পেয়ে যেতে পারো। তো দেখা হচ্ছে পরের ভিডিওতে। থ্যাংক ইউ।